What's the meaning of cinematographer? Cinematographer. Cinematographer.
Cinematographer. Cinematographer. A cinematographer is a person responsible for capturing the visuals of a film or video production. They work closely with the director to create the desired look and mood for each scene, using different lighting techniques, camera angles, and lenses to tell the story. The cinematographer must have a deep understanding of visual storytelling, as well as technical knowledge of cameras and lighting equipment. Ultimately, their job is to translate the director's vision into compelling images that engage and immerse the audience in the story.